Chapter 12 Birds Learning Spotlight. At the end of this chapter, students will learn about common features of bird, flying and flightless birds, feathers of birds, how birds fly, beaks of birds, sound of birds, migratory birds. Birds are winged animals that can fly, make nests, and lay eggs. They are found in almost all parts of the world. They are of various types and differ in size, shape, color, feeding, and nesting habits. Features of birds. Birds have many special features which are given below. Their body is divided into a head, trunk, and a tail. They have pairs of limbs, the legs, and the wings. They have 2 legs but no hands. Their wings are covered with feathers. A bird can fly because it has a light body and wings. Their bones are thin and hollow. Fact trivia. Birds clean their bodies with their beaks. This is called preening. Think green. Birds are beautiful creatures. In your garden, keep some food and water in a bowl for the birds to drink, especially in summer. Flying and flightless birds. Birds can fly at different heights and to different distance. Birds like eagle, crow, parrot, etc. can fly long distances. Birds like hen, duck, peacock fly very short distance and at a low height. There are some birds that cannot fly at all because of weak flight muscles and heavy body weight. Birds like ostrich, kiwi, penguin, etc. cannot fly and are called flightless birds. Feathers of birds. All birds have feathers. Birds have 2 types of feathers: down feathers and flight feathers, which are located close to the body. They keep the body of the bird warm. Flight feathers were long and strong. They help the bird to fly and change direction while flying. Apart from flying, the feathers of a bird help it in a number of other ways. They trap the body heat and keep the bird warm when it is cold. Feathers help birds to swim. Some aquatic birds like ducks have waterproof feathers. This prevents them from getting wet. The color of the feathers helps the birds to hide from their enemies. Feathers also helps to protect a bird's sensitive skin and attract its partner. Wordology. Sensitive, early hurt or damaged. Feathers of birds. A bird does not fly by simply flapping its wings up and down. The wings show 2 types of movements. Upstroke. The wings move upward and backward. Downstroke. The wings move downward and forward. The following features help birds to fly. Birds have a boat-shaped body, which help them to cut through air and fly easily. The bones of birds are hollow and light but strong. They have wings instead of arms, which helps them to fly. The tails of birds help them to change direction while flying. Some birds like swallows and crane can fly very long distances. Birds like hen and peacocks can fly only short distances. Fact trivia. The smallest bird is the hummingbird and the largest bird is the ostrich. Wordology. Flapping. To move wings or arms up and down. Beaks of birds. Mouth of birds is called beak. They do not have teeth. They eat their food with the help of beaks. The shape of beak depends upon the type of food they eat. They use their claws to catch food and also to protect themselves. Birds like sparrow, pigeon, and hen eat nuts and seeds. They need strong beak to crack and open their food. So they have strong, short, and hard beak. Birds like eagle, vulture, and hawk eat flesh of other birds and animals. They are flesh-eating birds. So their beaks are strong, sharp, and hooked. They are called birds of prey. A woodpecker has a long, sharp, and pointed beak. Such beak makes holes in hard tree trunks. It also catches insects hiding in the trunk with its beak. Birds like duck, Goose and few cranes eat fish and insects from muddy water. So they have got broad and flat beaks with holes on both sides. The muddy water flows out through these holes. Hummingbird and some birds eat the nectar from flowers. So they have long and pointed beaks. They need to pierce their beak into flowers to suck the nectar. Fact trivia. Owl is a bird which hunts its prey at night. Owls can see much better than us in dim light. They, however, cannot roll or move their eyes as they are completely immobile, but they can rotate their neck 270 degrees, that is about 3/4 of a full circle. Birds and their sounds. Birds usually communicate with two kinds of sounds, a call and a song. A call is a single sound, such as a squeak, that is repeated often. Sparrows make such sounds. A song is a series of notes that sound musical to our ears, just like a cuckoo bird. Migratory birds. Birds travel long distances to reach warmer places in order to escape the extreme cold conditions. Such birds are called migratory birds. The process in which a large number of birds travel long distances in search of food to lay eggs or to escape cold conditions is called migration. It's recall time. A bird's body is covered with feathers. The feathers help birds to fly and keep their body warm. Birds have different feeding habits. Beaks of birds differ according to the food they eat. Birds can fly at different heights and to different distances. Some birds cannot fly. Birds communicate by two sounds, a call and a song. Some birds migrate every year to escape from cold weather or shortage of food.